2024?
You know, Arnab, there is nothing in a name. But let me be very clear, by changing its name from TRS to BRS, I would actually call it BBRS, Bhrasht Befuddled Rogue Samiti. And I'll tell you why. The
Rogue?
TRS has had a phenomenal track record.
Are you calling KCR a rogue?
I will tell you why. I will tell you why. And I'll give specific examples. First and foremost, let me quote what our BJP's national president JP Nadda said in August of this year. You know, less than 2 months back, when he had gone to attend a rally, he was stopped at the airport and said that the permission for your rally has been cancelled because Section 144 related prohibitory orders are there. There was a midnight court hearing, post which JP Nadda could carry out his rally, post which in that rally he said that the current KCR government is worse than the Nizam of erstwhile state of Hyderabad, the last Nizam of the state of Hyderabad, Mir Osman Ali Khan. And I'll tell you one more thing. It is not Sanju Verma saying it. The Nalgonda MP, Uttam Kumar Reddy from Congress. What has Uttam Kumar Reddy said? And I don't trust anything that the Congress says, but I checked up the numbers myself. Do you know or not that today Telangana's debt is more than 4 lakh crore, whereas the overall economy of Telangana is not more than 8 lakh crore, which means more than 50% of Telangana's GDP is actually.
But you see, they've taken away one of your potential allies in Karnataka. What happens is JDS ties up with them. JDS ties up with them. 1 minute. See, when what happens is, Sanju.
You allowed him a long.
No, you have to allow a counter, which I'm asking you. No, I'm asking you a question. See, what happened is, everybody knows that there were informal talks between JDS and BJP. And if JDS had gone with you, it would have helped because the BJP is under some challenge in Karnataka. Now, regional party moves quick. TRS goes and does the tie-up with the JDS, which means JDS cannot go with you. So it complicates life for you, and maybe that's why you're a little rattled.
Let me be very honest with you, and who better than you, Arnab Goswami, to know that sometimes, you know, you need to be a lone ranger. Even if, you know, there are a lot of push and pull factors trying to pull you down. Who has KCR tried to reach out to? He has tried to reach out to HD Kumaraswamy. He has tried to reach out to Uddhav Thackeray. He tried to reach out to Sharad Pawar. He tried to reach out to Akhilesh Yadav. And Nitish, let me now tell you very clearly, Uddhav Thackeray is all but done and dusted. NCP Sharad Rao Pawar, with half his battalion behind prison bars, is tainted. Akhilesh Yadav, despite having a so-called anti-incumbency in his favor, could not get more than 111 seats. And as for HD Kumaraswamy, I wonder if even the people of Karnataka remember that not too long back, he was the Chief Minister of Karnataka, albeit leading a minority government. But Arnab, you forget the most important thing, that what did KCR come to power on the back of? He said a couple of things. I will give you a corruption-free government in Telangana and 40% commission in education, 40% commission in tourism, 40%
Arnab, please
commission
let me come in, Arnab. I think I've been waiting.
So you've said he failed the promises. Okay, but Krishak wants to Krishak, lay your agenda out here right now. Are you here to make things difficult for the BJP outside Telangana, or are you here to win?
We are definitely here to win. If the BJP is rattled and they want to begin with name calling our chief minister or our party rogue, or this is not new to be insulted. KCRG was called Naxalite. We were called hooligans when we were part of Telangana movement. You know, the peddling of lies on a national channel, on a prime time channel, which is on #1 channel, and your show. They are talking about debts. Arnab, top 10 states. Please, let me.
Involved in the liquor scam. She is being investigated by the enforcement directorate.